Hi, I'm here today to find out what it's really like in the life of someone who's not seen by public. Someone who was fathered by Mickey Mouse himself.
Hi, I'm Minnie Mouse II. Minnie ran off on Mickey, and Mickey just got so depressed that he got with a human, and as you can see, it didn't turn out too well. My mom had a one-night stand with Mickey. Mickey ran off.
How did that make your mother feel?
Hate you, Mickey. My mom hated it.
Do you see those tears? Look at those tears, audience. This is real life. It's okay. Let them out. So how have you grown up since you know who left?
I had to mainly be best friends with my dog, Yogi the bear. Because no one really wanted to be friends with someone with Mickey Mouse hands.
It's okay. It's okay. Get a close-up of that, Earl. Get that. Get that. Get those tears. Get those tears. Get them. Do you have them? Do you have them? Okay. It's okay. This has been me. Probably flushing my career down the toilet with Mickey Mouse hands. Good night.